Hello and welcome back to another exciting episode. Today, we're going to do something a little different. We're going to put on, what the heck is this officially called? We're going to put on a steering wheel cover. Not just anyone. And I'll go ahead and put links down below. But this is supposed to be a cool touch. It's very hot here in central Pennsylvania. It's up in the 90s. And yes, the steering wheel is very hot. So we're going to go ahead and put this on. Now the steering wheel cover is from Bokin. I'll go ahead and I'll put a link down below where I got this. Comes in a nice little Ziploc baggie. Go ahead and unzip that. Trying to do this with one hand. Okay, now on the instructions, really all you have to do is start from the top, pull it around to the side, and then pop it on the bottom. Let's see if that's how easy it is. Now before we start with that, I can tell you that does have a nice little grip here. It comes shipped in this with a little bit of styrofoam in between. So we have to get that out first. Now that we got the styrofoam out, let's go ahead and try to put this thing on. Alrighty, it has a rubbery part there and looks like a cool handle part here. So what I'm going to do is put the cool handle part on the side. Set start at the top. Just kind of pops on there. Well, that's the right size. Not going on the way it should. Well, that is very disappointing. Can't believe I did it. It's not exactly straight, but it's on. We're gonna go with that. Yeah, again, it's not completely straight, but I got it on. I really had to stretch it out because this is a very thick steering wheel. But I got to where I needed to go. And the soft part is pretty much on the sides, so I'm okay with that. Thank you for coming along with me to putting in and putting on the steering wheel cover by Bokin. I hope you enjoyed it, and as always, have a great day.